When we're talking about circles, we can also talk about the area of the sector. And this is going to be the area of a pie slice of a circle. And it's much like when we talked about arc length. So we are going to have a central angle, and then we're going to have a chunk taken out. And we're going to want just the area of the shaded piece. So again, we're talking about this, what part of the whole, but since we're talking about area, we're going to multiply it by the area formula. And so again, we're going to talk about the measure of the circle, measure of the arc over the total circle, times the area formula. So if we look at this example and we want this piece here, the portion we're talking about, so the area of the sector, is equal to 120 over 360 times the area of this circle is pi times 6 squared over 1. And if we start cleaning this up, 6 squared is 36. I see 0, so I'm going to cancel those off. 12 and 36 have a common factor, and so I have an easy way to either cancel 12 and 36, or better yet, 36 and 36, and I'm left with 12 pi units squared. If I go to my calculator, this is approximately 37.7 units squared, and that is what the area of that pie shaded piece would be. Another idea with circles is a relationship between the arcs and the chords. So in the same circle or in congruent circles, two minor arcs are congruent if and only if, remember it goes both ways, their corresponding chords are congruent. So again, if you know congruent arcs, you get congruent chords. Or if you know congruent chords, you get congruent arcs. And this should feel pretty good. If you take and slice off an equal segment here and here, no matter how you turn that length there, your arc is going to end up, what you cut off, in a sense, will end up being the same. So if I look at this example down here, I'm given equal chords, or equal arcs, which means my chords are equal. And this becomes a very simple algebra problem then. 7x minus 2 is equal to 5x plus 6. If you subtract 5x from both sides, you have 2x is equal to 6. Add 2x is equal to 8. Divide, x is equal to 4. That is going to be the end of this section. Good luck on your homework.